So I also have the pleasure of presenting the most creative commercial. This year's winner introduces his own sense of humor while properly conveying the Window World value proposition. Other than having the outstanding haircut we've seen in common tonight, this year's recipient is having a tremendous year in sales. And if humor has played any role in that, kudos to him. See what you guys think.
I know we've seen like dozens of houses, but I have a good feeling about this one.
No problem. Lots of families are very specific in what they want.
Honestly, I like the other ones, but he's a little harder to please.
Well, you'll notice that in this one, the floors have just been refinished, and wait till you see that kitchen, brand new appliances.
Seems perfect for us. We'll just have to wait and see what the verdict is.
Look, honey, look, it's the Window World logo. All the windows in this house are Window World windows.
We'll take it.
Hey RVA, today's the day to call Window World.
Hey, let's give a big round of applause and welcome Matt Conley from Richmond, Virginia to the stage.